So here is a reminder for anybody who needs to hear this. Your friends, your family, they're not bad people. They're good people, but they will be your downfall when it comes to your weight loss if you do not keep your guard up around them. Just because they're good people doesn't mean they're good for your weight loss. And what I mean by that is that these people, they probably want to be healthy too. They probably are going to be jealous or envious, not in a bad way, but just you being healthy oftentimes makes people more insecure about themselves, or it makes people feel bad that they're not doing something healthy. And so consciously or subconsciously, the people in your life, one way or another, are going to try and sabotage your journey. One more bite. Just have a bite, live a little, have a sip. You don't need to lose more weight. You're looking too skinny. They're going to say things and they're going to do things that are going to try and derail you because they're insecure about themselves. And so keep your guard up. Always go into situations with other people knowing why you are doing what you are doing and sticking by your guns.